How to make a mosaic birdhouse. Birds are attracted to bright colors, such as the flowers in your garden. You can create a beautiful mosaic birdhouse that will not only liven up your garden decor, but will also ensure that more birds find a happy home in your yard. This fun weekend project is great for both kids and adults and will bring you hours of bird watching fun. Things you will need: pre-made birdhouse, black marker, tiles, marbles, dishware, etc., tile nippers or hammer, safety goggles, thin set mortar, latex gloves, craft stick, sanded grout bucket, sponge. Draw a rough design on your pre-made birdhouse before you begin. Drawing your outline will help you to choose the right sized tile pieces and marbles. Cut or break tile or dishware into small pieces. Be sure to wear safety goggles to protect your eyes from any small pieces that may fly away while breaking. You can break the tile into random pieces with a hammer, or use a pair of tile nippers to cut specific shapes for your mosaic. Place the pieces of tile, dishware and marbles loosely onto the surface of the birdhouse before attaching with mortar to ensure a perfect fit. Make sure to keep between 1/8 to 3/8 of an inch between your pieces. Mix a small amount of thin set mortar according to the manufacturer's directions. While wearing protective gloves, apply a thin layer of the mortar to a small area at a time using craft sticks. Press the tile pieces, marbles and other decorations firmly into the mortar, and allow the birdhouse to dry completely. Follow the manufacturer's directions to mix enough grout to cover your surface. Again, wearing protective gloves, use your fingers to press the grout into the spaces between your birdhouse mosaic pieces. Allow the grout to set for at least 15 minutes. Fill a bucket with lukewarm water. After allowing the grout to set, use a damp sponge to wipe excess grout from your mosaic pieces and smooth the spaces. Rinse the sponge often while working. Once the grout has set for an hour or so, you can safely begin your next surface. Tips warnings. Start with the face of the birdhouse before moving to the sides and finishing with the roof. Complete each surface, allowing the grout to set before moving on to the next side.